Hello. I have received a painting from Royal Diamond Painting. It's a custom painting, and it's a drawing that I made, and let's see how it will look like. So I opened it because, as you know, it's much easier that way. So it's a really big box because it's a huge painting. So the painting size is a I'm not going to take out the drills because I already know that I will have some trouble to put them back in the box, but I do want to show you the painting. If you want to see the drills, please let me know in the comments below and I'll show it to you. So the picture, where is it? So as I say, it's a custom painting, and I made this painting a while ago, and I want it in a diamond painting. Since Royal Diamond Painting has many colors, I think this one has 59 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it's a huge painting. It's a 70 by 100 in square. Oh, Royal Diamond Painting. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this because, like I say, it's a huge painting. I am not going to do the entire thing, but I'm really not sure how I'm going to do this because my camera is in a really strange position. But I'm going to try my best to show you. Oh, it looks beautiful. So this one is it's my third, or yes, I think it's my third custom. No, my fourth. It's my fourth, but I have I'm thinking 1, 2. This is my third painting, if I'm not mistaken, of a painting that I made. So it looks beautiful. I'm going to try to bring them up. I'm not. No! And I ripped the paper. Of course I did. Oh. Of course. You won't see it in another way, yeah? It's really sticky. So I'm going to be really careful. Like I say, I'm not going to open it all because it won't fit on my camera. But if you're not familiar with the show, it's Shadowhunters, and this is the character is Clary. Clary Frey. I'm sorry if I'm not good with telling her name. But yeah, I really love the show, and I'm pretty sure that I will make other ones from that show. I was thinking maybe one with all of them. And why is it not cooperating? Alright, here we go. Alright, maybe I'm going to try. I'm saying I'm gonna try to do the end of it. like I say, it's really huge painting, and my table is not that big. All right, let's see how the I'm trying my best because it's my camera is just sitting just before the painting, so it's a little bit so here you can see her sword there, or how do you want to call it? I think it's a sword, right? A sword made of angel light, because, and here you can see the symbol. I apologize if I cannot show you the entire picture, but it's just not possible for me to do that. Because if I want to show you the entire picture, I have to do it on the ground. And with my cat, it's not, because I know him. The moment I will try to do that, that's all black. So it's a lot of black. But I might change a thing about, I might do white around, so it will come out much better. Like this is all much lighter colors, so I think I will put some white or a light color around the not the numbers, the letters, so you can really see it much better. Yeah, but I'm really happy with it. It's really sticky. I'm really happy with the quality. I do have another one, and I already made a video about this one. It's also from Royal Diamond Painting, also a custom, and also from the same show, but the other one is much bigger, and it's with all of them. So here I have just one character, and the other one I have is with all of them. Yeah, it's just easier to put it back. So I'm sorry that I cannot show you the entire picture, but I cannot do that with my cat because he will get on there. I've been through that already once, and that wasn't fun at all. So that is my custom. I'll try to roll it back. So it's a really huge painting. And of course it will be difficult again to put it back, I think, but it will have to, because I don't have another one large enough to put it all in. So let's try to make it smaller. So again, you cannot take the picture of this one. This is a picture of mine, so you cannot copy this one. All right, here we go. Gonna put. All right, that was the picture. So as you can see, it's a really huge one, and I'm pretty sure it has 59 colors. just going to open the one bag where there's an inventory sheet. I am not going to show you the colors, but they are nicely printed on the bags. So this one is the inventory sheet, and I'm sorry, 50 colors. I thought it was more, but oh no, it has 58 colors. So which one is the biggest? Yes, black. Of course it's black. So I have that many of black, and for the rest it's really okay. Here I have almost 50 packs. Yeah, but I'm going to show you the picture once again. This is the picture, and as you can see, it's really dark around the letter. Yeah, the word beneath that, no, not beneath, beneath. So I am pretty sure that I'm going to put some white drills around, so the letters are more popping out. So that was my custom, and I really do need to start a custom one, but I am currently working on one for my grandma, and it's also not a small one. It's the 50 by 90. So yeah, I do want to finish that one first. I started a custom a long time ago from Who We Can, but yeah, the drills are horrible. So it's a beautiful painting. I love the picture. It's from Wonder Woman, also one that I drew myself, but the drills are horrible. I do not love those drills. I think I will contact Who We Can and tell them that I cannot work on that anymore, because even when I'm putting it flat under some heavy weight, the moment I want to work on there are already missing drills everywhere. So yeah, I do not know what to do with it. I tried everything, it's not working, and it's frustrating to work on that one. So I'm not sure yet, order that one with the same company that I ordered this one. I know that they have amazing drills, and it will have more colors than, excuse my voice, than the one that it's now. I might show you the picture. I do have a picture of that one if someone wants to see it. So also you cannot copy this one because it's an original piece of art that I did. So this is the picture. Yeah, I'm really loving it. I'm basically I have just this side that I still have to do, but I cannot do that anymore because I'm frustrating to even start on that one. So I will contact the seller and let them know that there's no way I will finish that one. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe and healthy. Leave a comment in the section below if you have any questions or requests for the kind of video you want to see, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!